on my table today I have two cameras, a flash, a Godox, and a Holyland with two microphones and a receiver, and that's my baby mama Sony Alpha 7 Series 3, and the small Sony Alpha 6400. Yeah, that's my baby mama, my Sony. Yeah, so I'm going to open my stand. Yeah, you remove that one and then you pick it. I picked it from the table. Yeah, I'm going to panua it. Yeah, ensure that knee is imefika chini, and then I place it on the floor, ready to mount my camera. And then I've picked my camera. You can see I'm showing you how to place the camera. I'm just adjusting some knobs here and there to ensure there is enough space hapo ndani ya kuingiza. And then there is that button, you press that button, kuna kakitu hapo juu kameinuka ka screw kanarudi chini, and then nikaanza kuingiza my camera. Nikaingiza ikafika fiti, nikafunga iko chonjo, and then nikamua it's time to give me a 360. Yeah, nikakumbuka that I was supposed to show you that knob. Then nikaenda hiyo mti ya kushika, sijui venye nimekumbuka jina. Nika make sure iko stiff, haichezi yani. And then you continue with our 360. You can see nikakumbuka inafaa nionyesha inapanda juu kidogo, inashuka yani. We continue with our 360. I love it. I love that 360, man. Yeah, then there is that knob there. Just adjusting it. You can see it's continue 360 bado. Still adjust. Bado inapanda inashuka. Nakwambia I love this. Nikakumbuka hapa I was supposed to show you something else I forgot. The safety of the camera. You either wrap it on your hand or on your neck, but mimi nimewrap kwa neck, kwa mkono, sorry. So nikaamua hii height yangu hainibambi, so nikaamua kidogo nirefushe miguu za stand yangu. Nikaanza kufungua na zipush chini. Yeah, you can see the way I was pushing them, and then nika feel like that's okay. So nikakumbuka the green there in the stand, hiyo inakuonyesha the balance ya stand yako. Kakikuwa kamelengana na hiyo ni hapo, inaonyesha your stand is balanced well. So nikakumbuka sikuwa nimefungua my lens, nikatoa lens cap, nikatoa lens hood venye nilikuwa nimeweka, nikaweka ikiwa the other side, uso iangalie huku.